Welcome everyone. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of continuous integration and continuous deployment with AWS CodeCommit and CodeBuild. In this comprehensive guide, we'll not only scratch the surface but dive deep into each aspect. From repository setup to optimizing build environments, let's explore the nuances that make for a robust CI/CD pipeline. Repository setup. The foundation of your CI/CD pipeline lies in the setup of your repository. Imagine it as the bedrock of your development process. Let's walk through the process of cloning and initializing code for CodeCommit. This step is not just about the technicalities, it's about laying down a strong groundwork for your entire development workflow. Pushing to CodeCommit. Once your repository is set up, the next natural step is pushing your code changes. It might seem straightforward, but there are considerations that can make this process not just efficient but secure. Build environment selection. Choosing the right build environment is like selecting the perfect tool for the job. We'll explore the considerations for selecting the appropriate runtime and operating system for your CodeBuild environment. This decision can significantly impact your build times and overall pipeline performance. Now, let's talk about the art of managing build artifacts. It's not just about creating files, it's about creating them in a way that enhances the efficiency of your code build process. We'll explore strategies to define build artifacts effectively, ensuring a streamlined and organized workflow. Navigating repository cloning. Efficiency in navigating repository cloning is more than just speed. It's about collaboration and teamwork. I'll share best practices to enhance efficiency and collaboration within your team, ensuring a smooth workflow that fosters productivity. Code initialization challenges. Challenges during code initialization are inevitable, but overcoming them can be a learning experience. I'll provide valuable tips to tackle common challenges, ensuring a seamless execution of your code initialization process. Code push to CodeCommit. Pushing code to CodeCommit can sometimes hit roadblocks. I'll address common problems and provide practical solutions to keep your workflow uninterrupted. Let's troubleshoot together and ensure your code pushes smoothly. Optimizing build environments. Optimizing your build environments is not just about speed, it's about efficiency and cost-effectiveness. I'll share insights and tips to ensure your builds are fast, reliable, and make the most out of your resources. Artifact definition mastery. Mastery in defining artifacts is an art that can simplify your code build configuration. I'll guide you through techniques to make this process straightforward and manageable. Let's make your artifact definition a work of art. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to CI/CD with AWS CodeCommit and CodeBuild. We've not only touched upon the technical aspects but also explored the mindset and strategies that make for a successful CI/CD pipeline. I hope this video empowers you to streamline your development process. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy coding!